Now, step number 1, pick your lead magnet type, because there are multiple. Every lead magnet in existence falls into one of these 3 categories. Understanding which one you are building determines everything about your strategy. Type 1, number 1, reveal a problem. These 3 times, by the way, I learned from Alex Hormozi's lead course, leads book. So you can search $100 million leads, buy the book. There's also a free version of it online available. If you want to go and check it out, it goes even more in depth. But I'm going to give you the core, which is the main types. And reveal a problem type is the one where you show a problem that they didn't know existed, right? Or didn't realize how bad it was. This creates deprivation, the gap between where they are and where they could be. Think diagnosis, audit, assessment, quiz, etc. For example, free website speed test reveals slow load times and then your service fixes it. Posture analysis reveals poor alignment, your program corrects it. YouTube channel audit reveals growth mistakes, your coaching fixes them. Financial audit reveals cash flow issues and your service optimizes it. Pro tip, these types works best for problems that get worse while waiting. So there's a built-in urgency. The longer they delay, the more it costs them. Type number 2, free trial sample. You give them a taste of the full solution. Like a Costco sample, they try it, they like it, they want more. The key, give them enough that they experience the result, then the idea of you removing it creates the desire to buy. Free 7 days of your software, they get results, they don't want to lose access. For example, Skool has a 14-day free trial, right? You start your community, for 14 days you have it, then you don't want to lose access, so in that case, you need to keep paying. You can have a custom domain, right? For example, we own skool.com/brand or skool.com/client. If I cancel, I'm gonna lose the domain and the community, so I don't want to do that. But the way that they get you first is by trying to try it for free and have a sample, and then you don't want to lose it, and that's why you'll keep having access to it. Type number 3, one step of a multi-step process. You solve one specific piece of a bigger puzzle. Once they complete step 1, they naturally need steps 2 to 4. Your core offer provides the rest. Figure out your core fashion. Now they need full wardrobe styling. Pick your niche. Now they need help in growing their community. First coat of gear challenge, they need the remaining cuts. First 2 videos of a course, they need the full curriculum. You get the point. You give a part of your step-by-step process, and they found it valuable. Now, the ones that did complete it need the next steps as well. The golden rule is your lead magnet should solve a problem that, once solved, creates a new problem your core offer solves. You solve, and then create a new problem, and then you sell. This is the entire game. So I'll give an example for this. Let's say you are helping people to figure out the best strategy for their YouTube channel, right? So like what unique angle they're getting, like how they're gonna position themselves on YouTube to stand out. Great. Once you solve this problem, and now someone figured out how to stand out, then they still are gonna say, okay, Howard, now I understand like what to make videos about, how to be positioned on YouTube, but I still don't know like, what's the best way to make the videos? What are the best formats? Like, do I need to edit the videos myself, or do I need an editor, right? And do I need to, like, how to make thumbnails? Now they need all of these things still. So by you first solving this belief of, I don't know what my channel is gonna be about, once you solve it, now they're gonna think, oh, now I know, but I don't know how to, and everything else you can sell, right? I'll give another example. Let's say you help people, you are a sales coach, so you help people to improve their or their team's sales performance, so they can increase their close rate, conversion rate, become better at selling, and therefore make more money. Then what you can do is you can help people to review their discovery process, so how they actually set the expectations during their sales calls or their discovery calls, how they pre-frame the leads, right? And now the person does a better job at that, sets better expectations, but then the next problem that this person is gonna have is, okay, good, now I know how to do the discovery process, but I still get the objections at the end of the call, right? Or people still tell me I need to think about it, or whatever. Can you or like, my calls are still, they are supposed to be 45 minutes. I'm still doing them longer. They take about 1 hour 20 minutes each. How can I make my sales script shorter so I'm more on time, more efficient, so I can sell more people at the same time and be more efficient? So all of these things are gonna be things that people still need. So you shouldn't be afraid of like helping someone solve a specific problem, because once you do, there are many problems always, and more problems get created, and that's what you can solve for people. Okay. Another example, let's say you run ads for people, right? So you can say, oh, I'll set up your ads manager for free. You set up their ads manager for free. Guess what's their next problem? How to run ads. Like how to create copy. How do I know from where to do research and to see what ads are winning ads? How do I know should it be video ads or photo ads? How much should I spend on the budget? How do I run? How do I know I'm profitable? How many ads should I make? All of these things is what you will know. If they are interested, help them in your paid program. All right, now we discussed the three main things, which is you reveal a problem, so you diagnose, right? You have quizzes, you have a roadmap that people fill out and it tells them their constraint. It's a quiz, right? It's a questionnaire. It's a diagnosis, essentially. Free sample trial, which is very effective, where you just let people to experience the thing that you are selling for a limited time, and if it's good, then they don't want to lose access to it and they'll stick around. And one step of a multi-step process as well, which is, again, you give a complete solution for a narrow problem, and people want the next solutions. And ideally, the solution of this problem creates the next problem that now they want to solve. Meaning, if let's say you already help them to set up their ads manager, then the next problem already is going to be created. Like you are going to make sure that everyone that did it, all right, that's like the best lead because they already have the ads manager set up, and now the next problem naturally gets created, which is now I need to run ads and I need to learn how to do that, and that's when you can sell. All right, so these are the three ways, right? And now let's talk about how you can deliver your lead magnet, because there are different ways. Now, a lot of these trainings are available for free with all of the templates, AI tools, private feedback for you to be able to implement in your business. And guess what? It's absolutely free. So if you are interested, the link will be down below in the description and you can apply to join there.